So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a password to Notes on the Notes app. So if I just were to create a Notes app right here, I'll just type in the word password. If I wanted to add a password to this or you wanted to lock it, go to the top right, press on the lock icon, and then press on Lock Note. In my case, it has locked it right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and set this up, it'll basically bring you to this screen right here. We can go ahead and press remove lock, closed all lock notes, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lock like this. I'm then going to go ahead and close all locked notes just like that. So if you wanted to go ahead and create something again, notes just like that, and you wanted to lock it, you can press lock, set it up that way. So if you were to go ahead and lock it, it'll actually allow you to type in a password. So enter your notes password to lock this note. I'm going to go ahead and do dog, which is my password in this case, press enter, and then you've added a lock to the note this way. So you can go ahead and lock it, do what you got to do. You can lock it, etc., which will then require a password if you want to go ahead and lock your note. Once again, I'll type in dog, enter, and there you go. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to lock notes or how to add a password to notes on Notes. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.